Are you tired of working 9 to 5? Exhausted from trading your precious time for just enough money to barely get by? Want to make money while you sleep? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 passive income ideas for 2025 that can help you build wealth even with little time or experience. These aren't just some random side hustles. We're talking about proven methods to generate real, sustainable income. We're talking about building a system that works for you, not the other way around. These are not just trending, they are smart, scalable, and future-proof. They're designed to withstand economic downturns and leverage the power of the internet to create multiple streams of income. So grab a pen and let's dive in. Stick around till the end, because idea number 5 has the potential to generate over $1,000 per month, passively. Want to grow your money while you sleep? High-interest savings and investment apps like Robinhood, Webull, and Grow make it easy. No more needing a financial advisor or a ton of cash. Investing is now accessible to everyone. Set up auto investing, and your money works for you every month, hands-free. High-yield savings accounts offer better returns than traditional banks. Just let your money sit and grow. Thanks to compounding, your money earns even more over time. That's true passive income. Now let's dive into the world of digital products. This is where things get really exciting because you're leveraging your knowledge and skills to create something once and sell it over and over again. Imagine waking up to find out you've made sales while you were sleeping. That's the power of digital products. We're talking about creating valuable resources like ebooks, templates, online courses, and software. The possibilities are endless. Do you have expertise in a specific niche? Package that knowledge into an ebook or create a comprehensive online course. Are you a whiz with spreadsheets? Design professional-looking templates that people can use to streamline their businesses or personal finances. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold on autopilot. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and even Etsy make it incredibly easy to list your products and reach a global audience. You set the price, upload your content, and let the platform handle the rest. Let's talk about some real-world examples. If you're a financial guru, you could create an Excel budget template that helps people manage their money like a pro. Or how about a beginner's crypto guide that demystifies the world of cryptocurrency? If you're in the tech space, an AI Tools for Small Businesses ebook could be a massive hit. The key here is to identify a problem that your target audience is facing and provide a solution in the form of a digital product. Remember, you're creating something valuable that people are willing to pay for. And the best part, once your product is created, the earning potential is virtually limitless. You can sell it for months, years, even decades to come, without having to lift a finger. Now, let's talk about my personal favorite passive income stream, YouTube. But here's the twist, you don't even have to show your face. That's right, you can build a profitable YouTube channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are exploding in popularity. Think about it. You get all the benefits of traditional YouTube, like ad revenue and affiliate marketing, without the pressure of being on camera. There are so many niches that are perfect for faceless channels. You could start a finance tips channel that breaks down complex financial concepts using animations and stock footage. Or how about a motivation audio channel that uploads daily motivational speeches? With the rise of AI, the possibilities are endless. Speaking of AI, it's your secret weapon for creating high-quality faceless YouTube videos. Tools like Pictory allow you to transform blog posts into engaging videos in minutes. ChatGPT can help you write compelling scripts and even generate video ideas. And Canva makes it easy to create stunning visuals, even if you have zero design experience. Once you've got your content strategy down, it's all about consistency. Upload high-quality videos regularly and watch your channel grow. Monetize your content with AdSense, explore affiliate marketing opportunities, and even sell your own digital products related to your channel's niche. Let's face it, we live in a world where we're surrounded by stuff. But what if I told you that your stuff could actually make you money while you sleep? That's the beauty of the rental economy. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama have made it easier than ever to rent out your assets for passive income. And we're not just talking about spare bedrooms and cars anymore. You can rent out almost anything these days. Have a parking space that sits empty most of the time? Rent it out on Neighbor? Got a drone collecting dust? Listed on DroneBase. Even your camera equipment, musical instruments, and camping gear can become money-making machines. The beauty of this passive income stream is its simplicity. You list your item, set your price, and wait for the bookings to roll in. Platforms like Airbnb and Turo handle all the payment processing and even offer insurance options for peace of mind. Think outside the box when it comes to renting out your assets. That extra storage space in your garage? Someone might need it for their business inventory. That high-end laptop you rarely use? A freelancer might be willing to pay top dollar to rent it for a week. The key is to identify what you own that others might need and leverage the power of these platforms to turn your belongings into passive income generators. Now, for that $1,000 plus per month passive income idea we promised, selling stock videos and photos online. If you've got a knack for photography or videography, this one's for you. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 are constantly on the lookout for high-quality stock footage to add to their libraries. And the best part? You earn royalties every time someone licenses your content. Think of it as creating an asset that keeps on giving. You upload your footage once, and it has the potential to generate income for years to come. The more content you upload, the higher your earning potential. So, what kind of footage is in high demand? Well, anything that's visually appealing and relevant to a wide audience. Think stunning nature shots, captivating cityscapes, and cinematic drone footage. Business-related B-roll, like people working in offices or shots of bustling city streets, is also highly sought after. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and focus on creating high-quality content that stands out from the crowd. Invest in good equipment, learn the basics of composition and editing, and don't be afraid to experiment. This passive income stream is perfect for creative individuals who love capturing the world around them. It's a great way to turn your passion into profit and potentially earn a substantial income from your craft. So there you have it, our top 5 passive income ideas for 2025. Now that you've got the roadmap, it's time to take action. Remember, the key to success with passive income is to start small, stay consistent, and always be learning and adapting. So which idea will you try first? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and start building their own passive income streams. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. We've got a ton of valuable content coming your way to help you achieve financial freedom and live a life you love.